Hey guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. Shush. Oh. What are you doing?
Leave it to just play, babe.
Okay, I'm just gonna, in this video, I'm gonna try to get to bed. Okay, so it's still night time. Why is there so many creepers over there? Gonna... Wish me luck, I'm trying to get a chicken. I need...
Loads.
Oh no, creeper. Okay, so don't go look outside.
See how he just leaves with you and that when you leave him alone.
Yeah.
He likes to be with us. You don't want to be fucked about with.
Okay. Just gonna do that real quick.
Is this home?
I'm with my dog right now. So if you hear anything like that, if you hear any weird noises, it's my dog. He's adorable. Oh dear God, I'm on 2 hearts. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm on 2 hearts because of that polar bear. Sheep! Attack the sheep. Come on, give me 2 wool. I feel like people only want the sheep for the wool and not his pet. I feel like that's the case. My XP ups right here. Oh, so a skeleton over here. Oh, those bones and arrows. Nuki, what are you doing? I need 2 wool. I'm gonna make a chest. Looks like I already have one, so bed's gonna be here and then this white here. Sheep! Let's go.
Oh, okay.
You're so silly. Oh. Ooh, iron. What's he doing?
I am.
Yeah, viewers, these videos kind of have to be over 3 minutes, because if they're not, they're gonna be short, and I don't want that to happen, so I'm just gonna get it out. Okay.
Okay.
Now, I want this to be more than one. Until
Ashtray.
I'm gonna get this coal. What are you doing? I'm just getting some coal. So I've just went on a mining trip and I've gotten 2 iron. I need 1 more so I can make a bucket. Then I need to go find a lava pool. Now there's stuff under there.
Okay, you're not good, mate.
So
You're gonna learn it.
How is he tired?
No, it's not. It's not that he's tired. That means he's hot.
Oh.
That's him cooling down.
Okay. Okay.
That's what that means. Let him finish it. Leave him. Go get it. Get it then.
Yeah, go get it.
Get it.
Go get it. Oh, I'm gonna stick to monkeys now. Okay. Wait. Wait a minute. Hey, unless the chicken.
No, you can get up yourself, you lazy shit.
Pumpkins. If I find it all in iron, I could make shears. Don't want monsters spawning while I'm exploring. So I'm just gonna change it to daylight.
Okay.
Once in a while. I had a video of that. Yeah, no. Learned a video how when you just barely even look at an Enderman and you aggravate it. I'm bedrock edition. I know, I'm just exploring. But I'm gonna probably. I wonder. Well, didn't find anything.
Come then. You come in. Come then. Oh.
Didn't find anything good. Hey, that's the original wolf. You're the original wolf, aren't you? Good to see.
Come on, lazy bones.
Okay, so this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So, sorry I didn't speak too much, but and I'm using cheats to help me, but whatever. It's my world, so yeah. See you next time.